Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create dark cinematic Instagram reel using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project here, and then I'm going to choose multiple videos from my gallery. I'm just going to pick random videos from here. I'm going to select this video, and then this one, and also this one. And once you're done choosing your video, you can click on add. All right, and then I'm going to add audio to make the reel more captivating. So I'm going to click on add audio here and then click on sound, and I'm going to select dramatic audio or dramatic music. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this one. Okay, you can click on the plus icon to add the audio to your project. Okay, and then I'm going to match the cut with the audio beat. So I'm going to add beat mark to this audio. If you want to add beat mark, you can select your audio like this, and you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find the beats menu, and you can manually add the audio beat or the beat mark by clicking on this plus icon, or you can automatically add the audio beat. And I'm just going to use this auto generate feature, and the beat will be generated automatically. Okay, and here we can choose the intensity. I'm going to make it less intense. Okay, and then once you're done, you can click on the check mark, and then I'm just going to cut the video according to the audio beat. Okay, we can cut it here. Okay, and then I'm going to click on split delete. Okay, and I'm going to choose this part only. I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to split again and delete. Okay, and then I'm going to add filter to this video. I'm going to make it darker, so I'm going to go to the filter, and I'm going to apply the film. Okay, this filter can make our video darker and more cinematic. Okay, and then I'm just going to apply it to all my clips. And wait guys, I'm going to adjust the brightness. Let me go to the adjust menu. Where is it? Okay, right here. And I'm going to reduce the brightness. And I'm just going to click on apply to all. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the final result. Oops, sorry. Okay, like this. Okay, and then you can keep adjusting if you're still not satisfied with the result. And then once you're done, you can click on export here, and then the video will be exported to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create dark cinematic Instagram reel using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.